Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-27 water pump driver gear for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-27, the water pump driver gear for the Clayton Undertype steam wagons. Let's go File New, MMGS part, or part MMGS. Okay, let's do a right plane, sketch. Let's do circles. We want, let's do 2 circles. Center point out, center point out. First circle will be 75.5. Second circle will be 69.5. Now the other circle we're gonna make. Construction. There we go. And the inner circle stays there. That's fine. Yep. Now we want to go. Actually, in circle. Let's do. Actually, in circle 2, let's do construction as well. Now up top here, we want to do a line. It's going to be center point out, down. Actually, before you do, let's do a circle, this one, the 3-point circle, up that way, perfect. Let's do another one. Touch the line and go the way, try to do, there we go, there we go. Now this point here, and this point here will go vertical. And then this point and this line will go join. Then this point and this point, point and line will go join. Let's move that down a bit. Oh, let's do what I meant to do. Move that away a bit, just give a bit more, there we go. Now we want to go line this point to that point. Okay, measurement from this point to this, this point will be 1.5. This line, or this point to this point probably is to do, will be 1.8 divided by 2. Then let's actually grab another line there, take you up to there, and let's do another 3-point circle, 3-point arc, sorry. Nope. Thank you. There, that's perfect. Not smart dimension, sorry. This point and this point will be joined, thank you. Now, smart dimension. This, where are we? 1.9. So this point to this point will be 1.9 on the angle, not straight up, but on the angle. So 6.74. 6.67, so there's a difference. That's going to be, what was it? 1.9. Now this point and this point will be also on the angle. Going to be 3.5. And then this one will be, let me just bring some of these out. There we go. Bring you out. There we go. And again, this here point to point will be 0.9, and we've got that perfect. Okay, so now we've got one tooth in a sense, and we want to do circular. So we're going to go that point there. We do one there, that point, that line, that line, that line, and this line. Give me this point here. 0.2, thank you. And it's going to be 4. Says, oh, give me a tick. 45. 45, is that perfect? Looks like it joins up. All right, so that's there done. So there's okay. Oop. Sketch contains large number of relatives displaying this being relations can slow the performance. Okay, let's do it. That looks good, but why it's not closed in? Got a gap somewhere. I'll be merged. Okay. Let me just undo that. Some reason something's out of whack. Okay, so what I might do, might delete that one, bring that one. Okay, I can't move it. Why can't I move it? You delete that one. Yes. That one there will be divided by 2. So 0.95. So if we do that 45, let's try that 90, see what happens. So if we do that again, circular pattern, go down, let's do that 90. Do this one, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, because I'm mirroring. Oh, yeah, no. It's not mirroring it, so I need to build that one there too. My bad. Okay, let's do this again. We want this point here. Center point. This point here. There we go. So if we join these two together to merge, then that's 0.9. Oh, sorry. Dot to dot, you gotta do dot to dot. 0.9. Let's do a line down. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Okay, that's fine. Should be 1.80. There we go. That works. That works just as good. Move that one out. And this point to this point should be 0.95 if I'm in smart dimension. 0.9. There. 0.95. Me do line down here. Oh, what I could have done. Oh, let me try something. Let me just delete all that. Sorry. Oh, no, no, no. Divided by 2. Let's do a construction line. There we go. Probably not quite that height. Let's do a mirror. Clear that point. Thank you. Mirror about this construction line. Let's do this one, that one, and that one. Bingo. It's interesting. The measurements disappeared. Join together. 180. This point and this point. Is that what we had there? Where were we? Okay. Let's go back to circular. Let's do this line, this line, this line, this line, and that line. Roll out. And round point. Let me just clear you. Actually, I think that was the right point, actually. And 45. Okay. Not quite joined together. Well, guys, that worked. I joined those two together and actually fixed it. Okay, that worked. Surprised everyone. Okay, so it is undefined. That's fine. We go smart dimension. Let's do this side. This point to this point will be, that's 3.5. So that's 3.5. Why would we do that? Takes up too much. Interesting. Ooh. Very interesting. 0.95. This should be 3 here. What's this one here? So that should be 3. If I delete you, if I go back to this one, make that 3. Oh, let me delete that one. If I make, okay, let's undo a lot of this. Sorry about that. Let's fix this one up here before we go any further. That's going to be 3, so that's 3. 3 already. Okay, that's locked in. 1.8, 1.9, which is halfway, and 3.5. So if we do, this is halfway. Nope. Nope. Not going the angle I want. Those two. That one, thank you. So that one's straight up on. What that angle? Not the angle, not the angle, not the every angle except the one I want. Okay, so if we do that one, let's just see what happens. 1.5, so that's 3.5 divided by 2. Oh, that's it. Ooh, interesting. So which one can I move? Why is that undefined? Can't move it. Oh, yeah, measurement. Thank you. Oh. Let me lock them in. There we go. That's why. Okay. That's why it's undefined. Unlock that one. Ah, because I joined together, that one disappeared. Fair enough. Okay, let's try this circular again. Origin. That's the word I was after. Doesn't show there yet, but as soon as you click on one, it pops up. Okay, fair enough. And we got 45. Okay. We do those two as join. They cannot be joined. How can I join them before? Hold on. Is that? Okay, that's a little bit too far. So if we put that 0.95, actually if I delete that measurement, then now if we do this again, sorry about this, it's all about learning, right? If I do that point, that point, that point, it's gone 0.10, 0.1 automatically, which is nice. Then I'll do 45. If I do, okay. If I do these 2 points here and do join, there we go. That should be good. Smart dimension. Where were we? This point and this point should be 3.5, 3.47. Okay, getting up for some reason. That's definitely 3 in the bottom, 1.8 up there. This is 1.9. See, what's 1.85? So that's, and this is what? Oop, different angle. Yeah, there, thank you. Do the points. So if we do, if I do this point on the angle, 0.95, which is 1.5. Okay, let's try something else. Remove that one. Let's try from this point. Oh, smart dimension. Oh, that's right. I can't because it does that weird thing. That's right. Forgot about that. Actually, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. If I do a line, or try, see if this works, to there to that circle. Now, if I do this line to this circle and do that. Oh. No, it doesn't do it. Well, my tangent. Oh, not tangent, yeah, like. Bye. I know what I can do. Idiot. I do from the center circle up to that one, if I do this point and this line as locked, oop, oh no, that could work, as locked, then if I do this dimension from there to there we go, that's what I was after. That was 3.5 divided by 2, 1.75. And then what's this one? Oh, sorry. Click on the line, does radius. We want 0.94. Let's see if that works. Let's go to circular. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 45, not 44. Okay. Now if we do that point and that point, lock it in, cannot be merged. Okay, why is that doing that? What am I missing? I'm missing something. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Looking at this here, so, you know, this is 3 there. Let me... So that's 3 there, which is 3 there. 1.8, 1.8. 3.5, which is 1.75 half. Then 1.9, which should be 0.95, with 0.94. Ooh, hold on. Please undo that for the moment. Let me just... There we go. Let's not lock that one with that one. So we got this one to that one, which is going to be... What was it? I lost my thing. There it is. Oh. I mean, I closed my... Back in tick. I closed my thing down. Okay, back. Let me get... Okay, yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one, thank you. Okay, this was what? 3.5 divided by 2. This one is, from this point to this point, will be 0.95. There we go. Now, we go linear sketch pattern. We do these 4 lines here, which is actually 5 lines. Do a 45. Do an OK. Still don't meet. Let me make sure I got the 69.5. 69.5. Now, one thing I don't understand, let me bring this across. Nope. Let me bring this across. One thing I don't understand, oh, wrong way, sorry, is what's this 72.5 measurement? What does that actually do? Oh, wrong way again. Shows in the middle there, but I don't know what it actually is showing. The teeth are normal, it's not like they change anywhere. So I don't understand what the 72.5 is, because it's down there, it's halfway through the teeth. But I don't know what it dictates. It doesn't affect anything here. That one's got me confused. So I kind of just ignore that one for the moment. If you know what is there, let me know in the comments below. Would appreciate that. So if we actually, let me hold on. Oh, that was the right one. Okay, we can move that one. Nope. So if I put that one together, thank you. If I put that one as one, that moves both. Okay, just want to make sure. Just want to make sure it does both. Oh, nope. Oh, thank you. But why is that doing that? Okay, let me just delete this one. There's do sketch. Nope, not sketch. Circular sketch pattern. You want 45. Bing, these 5 here. And okay. Then we go these 2 and join. And there we go. Okay, not quite that one measurement's a little bit out, but the main ones are there. So we're good with that. Okay, so now that is, how was that? 8mm feature. Extrude, that helps. 8mm mid plane, okay. Now we got in the center part, let's do normal 2, sketch, circle. Let's do one circle first, and that's going to be a total of 38. 38. And that's going to be extruded of a depth of 2.5. Oop, hold on. Oh, and that's 44. Oh, okay. That's going to be 44. Let's do this one first. We'll change that in a minute. It's going to be depth of 2.5. Okay. .4. Okay. Rebuild. There we go. What the part is that's, I thought was 38, is actually sticking out this side. So normal, sketch, circle, and that is 38. 38. And that extrudes out 9. 9mm, done. And we do have a fill on this one. Not quite that much. Try one. Yep, one looks good. Doesn't give me a dimension on there, but you can see it's curved in the blueprint. So, okay, so now let's do sketch on this one. Don't need normalize. Can if you want to. If you feel more comfortable with that. That's going to be a hole of 25, or sorry, circle circumference, a diameter of 25. My apologies. Right, diameter is from point to point through the center. Radius from point to edge. Circumference is whole circle. Just want to verify that. Okay, so feature, extrude, cut, through all, and done. Yep, that looks good. All right, so now we go to sketch. Normal 2, sketch, circle. We got center point and center point to vertical. Vertical. Go vertical. Yeah, it did. Then dimension is from center circle to center circle is 27. Wasn't far off actually. Oh, the circle itself is 6. There was it not defined. There we go. And that is going to be feature extrude through all. Okay. So that is that done. Yep. So just got to build one more part. The press fit in here. Now, I could have built this one piece, but it's built as 2 pieces and it's press fit. So I want to build it as 2 pieces. So let's open up new. Part MMGS. Gonna save that as 6 dash, was it 26 I think it was. No, 27. 27, that's it. Oop. 27. Press fit pin, I'll call it. It doesn't have a name, it's just part of this one, so. Okay, we got right, sketch, circle. That's domed of 6. Thank you. And that's going to be a length of 28, but mid-plane. And that's actually, what metal is that? It doesn't actually say. I'm going to put that stainless steel. Or steel anyway. Let's see, metal, steel, brass steel. Nice. And fillet of 1. Actually, probably do this one. 0.25. There we go. Done. Go back to the other one and change that material. There we go. Save that. Now new assembly. Gonna be the gear. Pipe. Okay. Mate will be inner circle, or outer circle, sorry. Then face to face is that way? Yes, it is. Okay, okay, done. That is that part done. Okay, I had a rocky start there. Do apologise on that. Rotate it. There we go. That part, actually let's save this first. 6-27. That one there. I'm going to save it. I'm not going to save it on assemblies because it's not actually assembly part. That's part 6-27, the water pump driver gear done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Had a little bit of hiccup there, but I like to show mistakes that I do. That way, if you've come across that, you can see what can and can't work and help you out. So that's the idea of it. You know, there's polished videos out there and they're great, don't get me wrong, they do help. but sometimes it's good to see what can go wrong or what different ways to do it. Or do it one way and why it doesn't work, or issues. So, but anyway, thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. And remember, keep building.